So consider this given problem statement. So it says that for some positive real number, that is x, if this is the equation that is given, that is log of argument x base square root of 3 plus log of argument 25 base x divided by log of argument 0.008 base x, and this is equal to 16 over 3. So in that case we need to compute this log of argument 3x square and base 3. So we'll be using the property of log to simplify this, right? So first of all, I'll mention my equation as it is. This is the given equation. Now on proceeding further, so if you can observe this clearly, this 0.008, this can be written as 8 over 1000, and this can be written as, this can be further simplified as 1 by 125, right? So on further simplification, this can be written as, 5 to the power minus 3, and this 25 can be written as 5 square, right? Because this one is 1 by 125. Fine. Now next we'll go to the next step. So here we'll use the property of log, that is this power can be written here, right? Similarly, this negative 3 can be written here. So I'll write 3 over here, and for this one, I'll just mention the negative sign, and this power I'll remove from here, right? So this is my given expression. Next, if you observe this square root of 3, so this square root of 3 can be written as, so here on this 3 the power is 1 by 2. So when I resolve that particular base here, so in this case we can write 2 times log of x base 3. Now on proceeding further, it is clearly visible that this log x base 5 can be cancelled out. So finally, this equation, I'll put it here as it is, and I'll just cancel these terms, considering that these factors are defined. Now, after this, if I isolate this log of x base 3, so in that case, this 2 by 3 we can add on both the sides, so that becomes 18 by 3, and this, on solving this further, this will become 3, because if this is 18 by 3, after resolving this, that is, I'll write here plus 2 by 3 here, and here also I can write 2 over 3, so that becomes 18 by 3. So 18 by 3 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. So finally we got log base 3 of argument x, that is 3. Now from this, if I convert this back to exponential form, this is nothing but 3 power 3, and this is equal to 27. Now we need to compute this part, that is log of base 3, and in the argument we're having 3x square, right? So this is the part that we need to compute. Now this, instead of this x square, we can write this one as 27 square, and on further resolving this part, I'll get log base 3, and in this part I can write here 3 power 7. So this can be written simply as 7. So 7 is the answer to this problem statement. So I hope the steps are clear and it is clearly understandable.